Welcome to the IBM Program Manager Professional Certificate Overview. Are you ready to boost your career and lead successful programs? As a program manager, you'll ensure all complex project components run smoothly, achieve goals, align teams, and realize benefits. You'll learn to manage multiple projects, set priorities, and deliver excellent results. The IBM Program Manager Professional Certificate provides an overview of the program manager's role. It outlines potential job opportunities and career paths. This program introduces various tools and techniques and covers fundamental program management principles. With a comprehensive curriculum, hands-on learning, a portfolio to showcase your expertise, and an industry-recognized certification, this program prepares you for a rewarding career. The IBM Program Manager Professional Certificate is designed for learners who want to start a career in program management. It also benefits learners with prior project management expertise who want to become certified PMI program management professionals. This professional certificate course covers various topics and job-ready skills required for an entry-level program manager role. The topics include Program Manager Basics, Framework, Strategy, and Planning, Agile Development and Scrum, Stakeholder Engagement, Execution, and Program Governance, Program Manager Capabilities, Program Manager Capstone, and preparing for the PMI PGMP certification. The Capstone project will help you put all of your skills to the test and provide an opportunity to add another project to your portfolio. Each topic corresponds to an online course you can complete at your own pace. Each course consists of 2 to 6 modules. Completing courses covering different topics and the required project will help you get the IBM Program Manager Professional Certificate. This Program Manager Professional Certificate journey will introduce you to the roles, responsibilities, skills, and knowledge requirements for a successful program manager. You will also learn about the program lifecycle, identify key stakeholders, and explore key program management terminologies. You will also compare and contrast possible career paths in program management and explore certifications that will help you progress in the field. Framework, strategy, and planning and program management are other topics covered as a part of this professional certificate. You'll learn about the 3 phases of the program lifecycle and how program managers align strategic initiatives with organizational goals. You'll create program management plans, integrate program components, and apply risk management strategies to achieve these goals. This professional certificate also covers Agile development and Scrum. You'll learn to apply Scrum alongside Agile and explore methodologies like Waterfall, Extreme Programming XP, and Kanban. The program includes Agile practices such as test-driven development, writing user stories, tracking progress with Kanban boards, and understanding Scrum team dynamics. You'll also create and refine a product backlog, use burn-down charts, achieve sprint goals, and conduct reviews and retrospectives to enhance efficiency and measure success. Execution, program governance, and stakeholder engagement are at the core of program management. Learn to analyze stakeholder needs and expectations and develop communication strategies. Understand how to drive and manage organizational change, resources, and financial aspects. You will also explore the PMI's ethical standards and develop a continuous learning mindset. In the Capstone project, you will apply all your new skills to develop business cases, benefit management plans, program roadmaps, and more. This project will help you demonstrate your capabilities and knowledge to align strategic initiatives and programs. Finally, you will learn how to prepare for the PMI PGMP certification. This course will provide an overview of the eligibility criteria, educational background, and experience required for the certification exam. It will also help you prepare for the exam with a mock test. As you progress through the content, quizzes and projects will assess your understanding of the material. These assessments contribute to completing the course and earning the professional certificate. Finally, upon completing all the content, you will be awarded the IBM Program Manager Professional Certificate, a credential highly valued by many employers. Wishing you the very best and hope you enjoy this journey.